Right, let's go with the simplification process here. We're going to state the NPVs. We're going to cancel things out. Everything's going to be fine, right? Oh gosh, I hope so. Now, again, if you're not comfortable with factoring, go back a couple of chapters, go back to the podcast and look at this, because I'm just going to fly. I'm going to assume that we know how to factor, okay? That's the biggest stumbling block for anybody in this unit. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Let's start with the NPVs first. Look at this, difference of squares. X minus 1, X plus 1, you know that that cannot equal to 0. Also, here's another denominator, X plus 3, that cannot equal to 0. So let's start figuring out the non-permissible values. Non-permissible value for that one, plus 1. For this one, minus 1. For this one, minus 3. So X cannot equal to plus or minus 1 and minus 3. Those, like I said, if you know how to factor and you know how to solve, that's easy. Plus, the nice thing is, this is already factored for you. That one you can't factor, so all you got to do is just write them out in factored form. There's X minus 1, there's X plus 1, okay? And the other one is going to be times, yeah, X plus 3. So all you have to do now is factor the rest, factor the numerator. Well, that's factored already. There's X plus 1. And let's do a quick PSA on this. PSA on that, which means PSA, right? Product is 6, sum is 5, way too easy. 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, there you go, 2 and 3. So that makes this X plus 2, X plus 3. Now, I'm going to clean this up a little bit because I'm going to get rid of this. That's just scrap. And eventually, you'll get so good at PSAing, you'll be able to do that in your head. Okay, now, everything is done. NPVs are listed. All you got left to do is cancel stuff. And this is just so much fun. I love canceling. Look, X plus 3 and X plus 3 are gone. X plus 1 and X plus 1 are gone. And look, the only thing that's left is X plus 2 and X minus 1 with non-permissible values saying X cannot equal to plus or minus 1 and minus 3. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, wait a second. Why state all the NPVs if, right, you only got one thing left in the denominator? Well, because originally you had a lot more things in your denominator, and you always go from the original, okay? So that's a really nice question. Again, you've got to be able to be factoring quite efficiently and effectively, and if you do, these questions take you no more than a couple of minutes.